What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the FishHooked YouTube channel. We're at a familiar spot that we've done some videos and had success on before. We're gonna try to, get into some bass, maybe some crappie if we get lucky. And we're gonna start on the pond here, kind of work our way down to the creek that's down below, and hopefully we catch them.
Let's make it happen.
Can't get nothing to bite out deep.
And there shouldn't be crappie in here, but you'd be surprised.
Saturday,
Oh! Oh!
fast.
You see that guy? Yeah. Jigged him out there, didn't Oh man, I didn't even know he was sitting there. Alright, I'm ready to get into something.
Yeah.
I gotta have some fish that want to eat. I don't care what it is, you give me something. One little bass and a few bram ain't gonna get it.
Either some bass or some crappie. Oh! I got one! Got a crappie! He's little, but he's not like miniature. This little joker thought they were gonna hide the whole day. First crappie. Yeah. Not the whole day. I kind of threw it out there. I think he followed it back. Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
There he is. There he is. Hey, Mr. Crappie. Just a slow retrieve, guys. We just found us a little hole right here in this moving water, believe it or not. Holding some crappie. Not bad. Let him go. Oh! Hey, bud. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe a little shoaly. Can't tell. Might be a little shoal. Might be a little shoal bass. Looks a little bit like a shoal bass, don't it? It's got a little patch, maybe. Maybe a little patch. Maybe a spot.
Yeah, I think it's a spot.
That was fun though. He was right out in the middle.
Really?
He attacked my little jig. Chunk him back in there.
Cool.
And they could be feeding, a little shack could be feeding on little bugs or something, but wherever they are, they're gonna be food. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is, bud. I don't know what that is. That's probably a crappie. Probably a crappie. I'm rolling. I'm good. Oh.
No, I think that's.
What is that?
I think it's a bat.
He's a fighter. He's a fighter.
Top bat.
I'm gonna give it to him. Oh yeah. I can't control him really right here. What is that?
Maybe it is a crappie.
Nah, that's big. It's a big old bass. Big old bass.
Get him up here.
He's on that little jig, man. I can't do nothing with him. Stop, dude.
Oh, he's barely hooked. Dude.
The old jig bobber worked out one more time.
I've been waiting on that all day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wow. That's a nice one. Maybe pushing 2 pounds.
Man, he just came up and got that thing. It's a nice bass. Yeah, that's a good one. That's probably what's out there chasing them suckers.
Yeah. Honestly.
Alright.
Man, I'm glad you called that. That's pretty cool.
Let them go. How's it going?
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright. Yeah, he ain't wasting no time. Well, he wasn't spawning. He's out there feeding.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? As y'all could tell, that was some tough fishing. That's just the way it goes sometimes. You know, it doesn't matter how good you are or anything like that. You're just not going to catch fish some days. And that's how it was going. But I got some other catches from other days that it was kind of slow. So we hope you enjoy them. And again, thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy it.
Go. Oh, better fish. Decent. Oh yeah. Whew. Man, this Mondo worm, I'm telling you right now. Check him out. Good fish.
Awesome.
It's my third one on the Mondo where they're biting it. Let's get them back in the water. Check him out, Dad. Yeah. Nice fish. Kind of overcasty now. Man, I want to try like a top water over this grass. Oh yeah, got him. On the Mondo worm. Oh, that's a good fish. On the Mondo worm, baby. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. That's a 2-pounder. Oh, look at the worm, man. Look right in the top of his mouth. Nice. I'm telling you, man, they're out here. That's more like 2 pounds. The other ones I were catching was probably like 1.75 pounds. That's a 2-pounder. Nice. It's like the small ones are kind of skinny, but these bigger ones, they got bellies on them. They've been eating. Let's get them back. Nice. There he goes. Man. It's like I'll catch one on one bait and catch one on another bait, and like, I don't know what to throw around, but it's just like these bigger baits, man. Like, but see that chatterbait, it'll catch that fish.